This is a Pint-Size Media podcast production.
Hi, I'm Lauren Edmonds, and this is the Lauren Edmonds Podcast. I'm talking all things education and parenting for children in the primary school years, but specifically for remedial and special needs children. I hope to give you my insights that I've gained over the last 12 years of in-field research, owning a special needs school in Johannesburg, as well as the academic research I've been doing for decades. I hope you enjoy it.
Today I'm going to talk about how to say no to your kids. There's a lot to say, but I'm going to focus on a very particular formula that was taught to me and works very, very well. Works well for me as an adult with other adults and works well for me as a parent as well, and as a teacher. And there's 3 steps to it. You don't have to do all 3. You really only need the second one, which is to say no. But if that doesn't work, there's a pre-step and a post-step that really, really helps. The formula is this. The first thing you do is restate what the person has asked you. So if your kid's asking you for ice cream, you can say, you're asking me for some ice cream. The second step is then to say no. And it can be as simple as saying no, or you can extend it to, no, I don't think so. Or, no, we don't have time right now. Whatever the no feels like in the moment for you. And then the third step is to give another option or to delay it. So you could say something like, I think we could have ice cream on Saturday perhaps. Or, I know there's going to be ice cream at the birthday party next month. So it's a simple 3-step process. The first step of restating what they've said is to help the other person to hear that you've heard them, to know that you've heard them. Because if you just say no, one of the comebacks is, but just a little bit of ice cream. No. But it's only 1 cone. No, but I won't make a mess. So they start fighting the original statement. So if they say to you, Mom, I want some ice cream, you go, I see that you want some ice cream now. So they know that you've heard them clearly. There's no bouncing around that. The second one, of course, is your answer. It's no. And then the third thing is to give the child or give the person, whoever you're speaking to give them another option, a sense that you've heard them, that you're not just casting it out with no other potential for having ice cream in the future. You are giving them sort of a place to go with their comment. So I hear that you don't want to do your homework right now. No, you need to get it done now, because in half an hour's time, we need to go off to your guitar lesson. And that is the simple formula. It's restating what they want, putting your boundary of no, and then giving them a reason. But in a nutshell, number 1 and number 3 are not necessary. Really, only 2 is necessary. But if they keep on at you, use the formula of 1, 2, 3.